So, Yoruba speakers, the response to Eshe is not Kabo or Ekabo. Sometimes ago, I overheard the conversation of two native Yoruba speakers. Mr. A said, Eshe Gonisa. In response, Mr. B said, Kabo. I was aghast by this response. Yeah, so this is it. When languages are bilingual or multilingual in nature, there's always a tendency that they apply the knowledge of language X to Y or language Y to X. So in this case, the languages are the English and the Yoruba language. So in the English language, your welcome perform two functions. Number one, it's a polite response to thank you. And number two, it's a form of greeting. However, in the Yoruba language, "Káàbọ̀", which equates to welcome in English, only perform one function. It only functions as a way of greeting, but not as a response to an appreciation. It's never used as a response to a ṣé. It is totally wrong. So the conventional response to Eshe in the Yoruba language is kò tọ́pẹ́, àìdúpẹ́ ara ẹni. Some people would even say Ọlọ́run ló ṣe. So if you're using Káàbọ̀ as a response to Eshe, you're totally wrong. Káàbọ̀ is a clear indication of semantic extension. So do not use Káàbọ̀ as a response to Eshe again. Ire o.